Hi everyone, I'm Sahiba Bhardwaj, a practicing nutritionist and a nutrition educator.
Hi guys, I'm Rigna Chawla and I'm a nutrition expert qualified from ISSA USA.
Do you all find it hard to take care of your skin health and can't understand in general how to deal with skin issues? Don't worry about it. We are here to answer some of the most frequently asked questions by our clients about aging and how you can minimize its impact on your skin.
One of the things we keep telling our clients is that it is the little things which have a significant impact on the overall skin's health. Sleeping well, drinking lots of water and getting some form of exercise, and most importantly, eating well.
I completely agree with you, Mrigna. Good nutrition sets such a foundation for good skin. Eating healthy fats, green vegetables, citrus fruits, good quality protein, maintaining skin's collagen levels are all the things we must never ignore.
So Sahiba and I have come here today to highlight some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to skincare, such as what is collagen? How is it useful? How is it made? Do I need collagen supplements? And what are collagen builders?
Exactly. So stay tuned as we take you into the world of collagen. इससे पहले कि हम टेक्निकलिटीज में डीप डाइव करें, हम एक बार पहले डिफाइन करते हैं कि कोलाजन होता क्या है। कोलाजन इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट प्रोटीन इन आवर बॉडी। कोलाजन हमारी स्किन, हेयर, नेल्स और बोन्स को स्ट्रेंथ और स्ट्रक्चर देता है और टिश्यू रिपेयर में भी हेल्प करता है।
It is such an important ingredient for skin. Collagen makes up nearly 70% of your skin and is responsible for keeping your skin elastic, firm and hydrated.
वैसे तो हम जानते हैं कि UV रेज, स्ट्रेस और पोल्यूशन से हमारी स्किन एजिंग तेजी से होने लगती है, but collagen deficiency largely makes the skin lose structure and leads to the onset of aging.
Before we discuss how to slow down the natural process of skin aging, let's understand how collagen is actually made.
So when your body makes collagen, it combines amino acids, nutrients you get from eating protein-rich foods like beef, chicken, fish, beans, eggs and dairy products. इसके साथ साथ हमें विटामिन C, zinc, copper और भी कई minerals की ज़रूरत होती है. All these minerals you can get by eating citrus fruits, bell peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, greens, meats and nuts.
लेकिन साहिबा, जैसे जैसे हम एज करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी की न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन एबिलिटी कम हो जाती है. This is what causes collagen deficiency in our body. Studies have shown collagen levels to decrease by 1% every year, starting in our mid-20s. It is natural to face such a decline every year. Even when हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल हेल्दी रखें और रोज वर्कआउट करें, this 1% collagen decline is bound to happen in our body.
That is so true, Mrigna. जब बॉडी में कोलाजन लेवल्स ड्रॉप करते हैं तो हमारी स्किन पर फाइन लाइंस और रिंकल्स जैसे साइंस दिखने लगते हैं और तब हम अपनी स्किन को कोलाजन के सपोर्ट से ठीक कर सकते हैं, as it keeps our skin firm, hydrated and supple even when we are aging.
It happens with all of us, but how can we tackle it? We can tackle it with the help of collagen supplements.
Mrigna, you would agree. Collagen supplements play an important role in counteracting the collagen decline in our body.
आपने देखा ही होगा कि मार्केट में कितने कोलाजन सप्लीमेंट्स अवेलेबल है. They come in various forms, powder, liquid, tablets, etc. But it is more important to see the different types of collagen supplements. That is, collagen and collagen builders.
So real collagen can be sourced either from marine or bovine sources. Currently, there is absolutely no other source of collagen.
Marine collagen, which is sourced from fish, is the most suitable for the body to absorb. On the other hand, collagen builders don't actually have collagen, but just include ingredients like vitamin C, which helps the body to make collagen. It therefore serves as a viable option for vegans and vegetarians. And collagen directly replenishes the body's low collagen levels, whereas collagen builders don't.
In case you're looking for collagen supplements and want to understand their source, look at the ingredient label to spot words like collagen peptides. If you were wondering what's the best time to take collagen, you must know कि इसे morning या night में कभी भी लिया जा सकता है. Morning में लेना अच्छा है क्योंकि empty stomach पर absorption maximum होता है. नाइट टाइम में भी आप कोलाजन ले सकते हैं क्योंकि जब आप सो रहे होते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी कोलाजन को आराम से प्रोसेस कर सकती है. Personally, I prefer to take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and pair it with a rich source of vitamin C. Just 2 scoops in a glass of water and I'm sorted for the day.
My choice of collagen is HK Vital Skin Radiance Collagen because it is enriched with marine collagen, biotin, vitamin C, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid which keeps my skin healthy and nourished. इसका tasty and refreshing orange flavor इसे और भी special बनाता है.
Another very common question that I get from my clients is when can we start taking collagen? तो आप collagen late 20s और early 30s में ही लेना शुरू कर सकते हैं ताकि आप अपनी स्किन को सपोर्ट कर सके विद इनफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड न्यूट्रिशन.
अगर आपको अपनी स्किन हेल्दी रखनी है तो अपने डाइट प्रेफरेंसेस के हिसाब से आप कोलाजन या कोलाजन बिल्डर्स चूज कर सकते हैं. बोथ ऑप्शंस आर इक्वली वायबल. कोलाजन आपके रिंकल्स और फाइन लाइंस जैसे साइंस को फाइट करेगा.
ऑल्सो मृगना, अगर हमसे पूछा जाए कोलाजन एंड कोलाजन बिल्डर के साइड इफेक्ट्स, आई थिंक टुगेदर वील से नो, देयर आर नो साइड इफेक्ट्स. We haven't seen any side effects in our clients related to skin. So hope this discussion around collagen was helpful to you.
And it will help you in choosing the right collagen for yourself.